discussing 10 ways to wait a minute. Means अगर आपने किसी को कहना हो कि 1 मिनट इंतज़ार करें तो उसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी? Let something see or let me think. The sentence is let me see what can I do for you. Hang on or hold on a minute. The sentence is hold on a minute, let me check if he is here. Just wait till. The sentence is just wait till I come. Be patient. The sentence is you need to be patient and give him a little time or space. All in good time. The sentence is don't worry, all in good time. Not so fast. Bear with me or bear with us. The sentence is please bear with me while what I happen. Hold on. The sentence is hey, hold on. I want to talk something. Something will have to wait. The sentence is we will be tomorrow because I am too busy now. The last is not so fast. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.